Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Ferdiasan. You can call me Ferdi. And my friend is.
My name is Arianti Hanifa. You can call me Yanti.
And this
our video about the bat in Miss Waryanti course. Let's check it out.
Check it out.
Motion. Cell phone is dangerous and has negative impact. I'm in the positive or government position. I believe that use of mobile phones is very dangerous because the cell phone can cause some problems and threat humans' life. Those threats are mobile phones are harmful for the safety of its users and social and family life.
I do not agree that the use of mobile phone is very dangerous, but instead the cell phone is very useful for human life. I think cell phone users who do not have responsibility that cause the phone can endanger their own life and others.
No, I don't agree with you. I think cell phone that endangers the users. We can see nowadays cell phone is not only used by adults, but almost every age has been using cell phones. Even children who are still in kindergarten were already using the phones. These underage users are the one that is very vulnerable to upset the impact of hazard from mobile phones. We can see a lot of accidents happening in highway caused by cell phones are from teenagers. They are as if addicted to checking their phones anywhere, including on the highway while they're driving. This is what causes them lose concentration and result the accident. That is why we must ban driver bring the cell phone while driving, so it will reduce the number of adults, the number of deaths on the highway because of the phone.
If you say the cell phone endanger the user, this is not fair because there are still many people out there who can use it responsibility. Users who do not take responsibility are the troublemaker because the cell phone will not operate itself. It needs someone to operate them in the case of the car accident. The user who do not take the responsibility of the guilty because they operate it in wrong time. Responding to your idea about bullying, the driver for carrying a cell phone is not appreciated.
Cell phone radiation can be dangerous. The science is still out on whatever the long-term use of cell phones, which emit electronic radiation when they send and receive signal from towards our Wi-Fi. Device can affect human health. The good news is last week note that some laboratory experiments and humans health studies have suggested the possibility that long-term high use of cell phones may be linked to certain types of cancer and other health effects. These include brain cancer, tumors of the acoustic nerve and salivary glands, lower sperm counts, headache, and your age will rate effects on learning, memory, hearing, behaviors, and sleep.
But I recommend you use radiation shield and the keeping phone away from the body when they are not in use and sleeping with phone away from the bed. People may also choose to use speakerphone or the handset to make call rather than holding the phone to their head. They should remove their handset when they are not in use, so as these divers also emit small amount of the RF frequency. Okay guys, that is our video. This enough for the video for the thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.